You've been ordered out of the car.
You've been ordered out of the car.
You understand you're going to be placed under arrest if you want to exit the car?
I didn't do anything wrong.
You're being ordered out of the car right now, so step on out.
I'm not stepping out of the car.
Are you refusing to get out of the car?
What did you pull me over for?
Well, I can see a few things. I'm not sure what the other officer pulled you over for. Right now, we're going to have you step on out. This is your final opportunity.
Where's the supervisor?
I'm right here.
You're driving. We're not going to do the whole sovereign citizen thing. That's what you're explaining to me. You're saying you just have a right. Well, I need a license. You're driving. If you're on the road, you're driving. Well, you're alternate out and you don't have plates. There's no visible plates.
One in the front, one in the back.
Is that your ID?
It's my nationality card.
Can I see it, please?
You're looking at it. I can't give it to you. My consulate said I can't give you my ID.
Okay, so you need a...
Well, wait, where's your supervisor at? So I can speak to the supervisor.
You can talk to our supervisor when you're done at the station.
Okay, I'm not going to the station.
We need
I didn't do anything illegal.
We need your driver's
I didn't do
license.
anything illegal. What was the reason for you pulling me over?
I've already given you 2 reasons. You're alternate out.
Okay.
That's illegal. And you don't have a... Yes.
The window tint.
The window tints.
The window tint's illegal.
I'm not from Ohio.
Well, we don't know that because you're not giving us an ID.
I just
and
showed
you don't have
my
no
ID
plates.
right here. I'm showing you that.
You have to identify yourself.
I just need to speak to the supervisor.
You can talk to him when we're done here,
Okay, well.
but we need to finish what we're doing.
Okay, well, I need to get where I need to get. So if you want to do what you need to do, I need to speak to the supervisor.
Okay, you can talk to him at the station when we're completed.
I didn't do anything illegal.
Okay, I need a driver's license and an insurance
I'm not
card for the
driving,
vehicle.
I'm traveling.
You are driving.
I'm not driving,
Yeah,
I'm
you're.
traveling.
Yep, you're driving. You're behind the.
Okay, so am I transporting goods and people?
It doesn't matter. You're driving a motor vehicle on the roadway in the United States of America. You're driving a car.
This is an engine. It doesn't have a motor in it. It has an engine.
We're not going to play these games.
I'm not playing no games.
You need to identify yourself.
Mia McLean L. Mia McLean L. L. E-L. Make sure you add the E-L.
Why is the VIN number taped over on the windshield?
Because the car is not under United States jurisdiction, so I don't have to show you the VIN number.
I need your date of birth. You need to identify yourself, all right?
I gave you my first and last name. That's all you need. That's all I'm doing.
You have to identify yourself or else you go to jail.
Mia McLean -L. I just identified myself. I just identified myself. Did I not? You asked for a name, so I gave it to you.
Give us your driver's license.
I just told you I don't have
Do you have an Ohio ID?
I'm not from this area.
Where are you from?
I'm from corporate state Illinois.
Okay, you have an Illinois ID.
I have a nationality card, sir. You asked me for identification. The nationality card takes the place of a driver's
We need a nationality card does not take the place of a driver's license.
Born does not live in this area.
You need a driver's license to drive on the roadways.
That's if I'm transporting goods, services, and people. I'm just traveling by myself.
It doesn't matter if you're by yourself or you're with 17 other people on a bus.
I need a driver's license.
You need a driver's license.
Sir.
You need to provide identification.
I just gave you identification.
If you don't provide identification, you're going to be taken to jail.
You want me to speak to the supervisor? Because I can explain myself to the supervisor.
You need to provide identification or else you're going to go to jail. Do you understand that?
I need to get back to Illinois, and I didn't do anything.
And we need to get back to our jobs too. I get it. You can get back to Illinois. All you have to do is identify yourself.
I just did.
And then we'll be done here in 5 minutes.
I just did.
But you want to play these stupid, petty games saying you're traveling and you're a citizen of wherever, okay? We just need identification from you, bottom line.
Mia McLean.
Do you have any weapons in the vehicle?
Nope.
Okay. Where are you coming from today? You said you're from Illinois?
Yeah.
What are you doing in Ohio?
I stopped to give me something to eat because I'm hungry. Is that illegal?
No.
Oh, okay.
Never said it was.
You all pulled me over. I couldn't stop to give me nothing to eat without you pulling me over because you don't have my tags.
We pulled you over because he pulled you over because there's no license plates on the car.
I don't need license plates.
You do need license plates to drive on the roadways in the United States of America.
Well, I'm not a United States citizen, so I don't need no driver's license.
You're not a United States citizen?
No.
Where are you a citizen of?
I just told you, Morocco. That's the name of this country.
Of what?
I said
What's the country?
Morocco.
You're from Morocco? Do you have a license in Morocco? Did the vehicle come from Morocco?
Yeah, it sure did.
It did?
It sure did.
Okay. See, now we're getting somewhere. See, we're having an adult conversation like adults, right?
I guess.
From Morocco. Do you have an ID from Morocco?
I have a nationality card.
A nationality card?
Yes, sir.
Can I see it?
I just showed it to you.
Can you hand it to me so I can read it?
I can hand it to you. But you can see it right here.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna play those games. You want to get out of here, right?
Do you want to get out of here?
I'm getting paid until I'm done, so I really don't care one way or another.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna get paid too because you all inconvenience me.
No, I don't think so.
Why you want to check the record?
You're prolonging the stop for no reason.
But you all stopped me for no reason.
Nope, he didn't. The stop's legal and you just want to act like a child.
I'm sorry, what's your name?
Officer Fisher.
Officer Fisher. And
Yes.
what's your ID number?
Badge number 6134. We could have been done with this 5 minutes ago if you just could have an adult conversation with us.
So we're having a little trouble finding this information in the computer. I'm going to have you doubt this is his writing. Maybe he misunderstood something. I'm going to have you write your full name and birth date on here, okay?
No, you got it right.
I'm sorry?
You got it right.
Just to verify, your name is Nia, N-I-A, McClin, M-C-L-I-N-L. And your birth date is... Did you used to have a different last name?
That's nope.
I'm sorry?
Nope, always had that.
What name is on your driver's license
I
in
don't
Ohio?
have a driver's license, sir.
What name is on the driver's license you used to have in Ohio?
I'm not from Ohio. I'm not from,
Have you ever had an Ohio driver's license?
I'm not from this area. That's why if I can speak to the supervisor, you can clear that up to me. I'm not from this area.
Did you ever have an Ohio driver's license? So it's Caleb fake name. Just
I
suspended.
need you to do
What that? Her name's not even a similar history. We found her. She won't write anything. I read this all back to her, and she said this is her name, and it's the only name she's ever used. She doesn't have any other name, and has never had an Ohio driver's license. Okay. So I spelled it for her and everything, so I think you definitely have enough for the falsification if that's not really her.
Well, the picture looks like her.
But that's not the name.
That's not the name. No, yeah. So running this name, it came back to another name.
He found something kind of close, but it's not even that close.
Yeah.
But you have a picture that matches up to her.
It looks like her. It is an African-American woman.
She's only got her window down that far, so it's a little hard to
Can't
see.
really see if she's got a hat on as well. So,
The windows are completely blacked out.
to speak to the supervisor.
You can have her get out of the car too.
Yeah.
Yeah, come on out. I can talk to you.
it. Talk to me right here.
I can't hear you.
I said, I'm not coming outside.
You've been ordered out of the car.
You've been ordered out of the car.
You understand you're going to be placed under arrest if you don't exit the car?
I didn't do anything wrong.
You're being ordered out of the car right now, so step on out.
I'm not stepping out the car.
Are you refusing to get out of the car?
What did you pull me over for?
Well, I can see a few things. I'm not sure what the other officer pulled you over for. Right now, we're going to have you step on out. This is your final opportunity.
Where's the supervisor?
I'm
He's
right
back
here.
What's your name?
Sergeant Mike Diley,
Okay, Sergeant.
badge number 62.
Okay, so what am I being pulled over for, Sergeant?
I told you the tense and number plate.
I mean, yes, I have a test. So my car is private. So that's why I'm operating privately.
Okay, for right now, we're going to have you step out of the car. We got the legal right to ask you to step out of the car for a traffic stop, so step on out.
But I didn't do anything.
If not, you're obstructing official business.
I didn't do anything. So how about you get the sheriff down here to speak? 'Cause I want to-
Nope, sheriff isn't coming down here.
Okay, well, I'm not talking.
You have to step out of the car.
You don't step out the car, you're going to be under arrest.
Sir, what did you pull me over for?
I'm not going to keep explaining
Why
the
are you
same
all
thing to you.
intimidating me?
Huh?
I said, why are you all trying to intimidate me?
We're not trying to intimidate you. I've been
Yeah, that
trying to pull
Terminator?
over. Yeah, she's pulling the window. She's driving outside.
Radio car's taking off.
She's still going. Try to do the back one. It did get a good stick with the Terminator.
Headed back to York. Northbound York. Passing Pearl. Still northbound. Speed's 40. Moderate traffic. The right rear wheel is flat. Looks like we're slowing. Coming up to Stoneham. We're stopped. Yeah, she's just stop and go with the traffic in front of her. turned green. She's still northbound stop. Speeds are 35.
If we come to a stop again like that, are you okay if we box her in? I got one. Not yet.
3-4. Can you see if Karma has one of those pursuit terminator things on the front of their cars?
Karma does, they're on the way.
Alright, we're still northbound stump. Passing Apache right now. Speeds are 48.
We're still a little ways away. We're Ridge and Renwood.
She's stopped in traffic right now. Stump at snow.
Northbound on Chevy. Northbound Chevy. Northbound Chevy, speed 36 miles an hour. Until that Capital Falls, there's low traffic. Let's keep it good. 9-5 to 6-1. If they're going at slow speed, are we okay to continue with the grappler? And then does it... We had the female calling us 911 now. We're trying to advise her for. Okay. Grappler is the lead unit. Near the railroad tracks for park.
Hey, come to the back. Back it up. She's solo. Hey, back up. Get away from that pillar.
JJ, what was her name?
What is it? Naya. Naya, step out of the car. Okay. Naya, open the door and step out. Hey, we're gonna bring her far right. I need a hands and a less lethal. Yes, that's it. Naya, walk backwards to the sound of my voice. Walk backwards. Keep coming back. Keep coming. I got commands. Step to your right. Step over that. That's it. She's the only one. Hey, back up here. Back up here. Hey, hey. Close your door. Get out of his feet. Thank you. Back up. Keep walking back. JJ, you got hands? I got hands. Get up on the sidewalk. Back up. Keep coming back.
All right, walk backwards towards my voice. Keep going. Come back. Yeah, come back. Keep coming back. Right back on the sidewalk. Keep walking back. Walk back. Keep coming. 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 Step to your right. Step to your right. Get down on your knees. Lay down on your stomach and put your hands behind your back. Lay down on your stomach. Put your hands behind your back. You are under arrest. You understand that? Sit up. In the stand off. 1, 2, 3.
Answer the questions. You got anything else on you?
So obviously you're in here, you're in custody. You can't just get up and walk away, so I'm going to read this to you real fast. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions and have them with you during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed for you before questioning you if you wish. And you can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions, make any statements. Understand all of that? Yes? Okay. We're just trying to figure out what happened. We got called because there was a pursuit. Pursuits in Ohio are felonies. So that's why we're here. Okay? So why did we run? We were on a traffic stop. We were stopped in the parking lot. And then we put the car into drive and drove away. Can you tell me why we did that?
Because I felt like my safety was in danger.
Okay. What made you feel like your safety was in danger?
Because they put on gloves like they were about to punch out my window.
Okay. I wasn't on the traffic stop, so...
I know I contacted and I asked for a sheriff. They said there was nobody around. So at that point, who else is there to talk to if I can't even talk to the higher up, which is the sheriff?
Okay. They were at your car. Did they ask you to get out or anything?
Yes, they did.
Okay. Did you say you weren't getting out? Like, I wasn't there. I haven't watched Bodycam. I was at home having dinner. Now I'm here. So I'm leaving it up to you to kind of fill in the blanks. I haven't even gone back and talked to them yet. I like to give you guys your chance to tell me your side of the story because I can come over here and talk to you real fast. And then I go talk to them. Like, they get paid to wait to talk to me. You're sitting here, so I figured I'd come talk to you first. Okay. So they asked you to get out of the car. You said you didn't want to.
I said, what was the reason for me getting out of the car?
Okay. And then you said you felt like you were in danger because they were putting gloves on. When you were driving away from them during that pursuit, were we stopping at red lights?
Yes.
Did we go...
Turn on signals? Yes, I did. I turned on my signal while I was turning too.
Okay. Were we going faster than the speed limit, the posted speed limits?
Not that I know of.
Okay. We ever drive like left to center or anything like that?
I don't drive, I travel.
Okay, did we ever travel left to center?
Not that I know of.
Okay. I'm not trying to be rude, I'm just asking the questions, right?
I'm answering.
I know.
I was answering theirs, and they didn't like the answers.
I didn't think you were being rude, that's not why I said that. You said you don't drive, you travel. That's why I changed my verbiage to say travel, right? Like, I'm not trying to be rude, I'm trying to be respectful of what your beliefs are. Okay. I know at one point, somebody had said they were questioning as to what your identity was because you couldn't provide a driver's license. I take it you're saying that you believe in talking to a sheriff and a higher up and that you're traveling, right? You don't have any government identification. Okay. Have you ever had any form of government identification?
When I was under the black code, yes.
Okay. And what state would that have been with?
That would have been as a United States citizen at that one point in time under Illinois. I have food in the car. I literally went to Mission Barbecue. I picked me up something. I was hungry. I wasn't going fast when the guy pulled me over. You know, I was literally traveling the speed limit.
So you came from Chicago?
No, I was traveling back from Maryland, but I was en route to Chicago.
Okay, I see. That makes sense. I thought you came from Chicago here from Mission Barbecue. I know Mission Barbecue's good, but...
Yeah, it's good. It ain't that good, though.
And your hearing tomorrow won't be down at county court. It'll be at Parma Municipal Court. I believe video's back up for you guys.
She said go in person?
No, she's got to go in person. All right, so you're going to get to see the judge in person tomorrow? Likely? I won't have the time for you until tomorrow morning when I go see the judge, see what their docket looks like. Okay. But there'll be an officer that comes over, transports you from here to Parma. And then you'll hang out at Parma for a while till you see the judge. Once you get your bond, he'll transport you back here. Okay?
Nina N. McClin is in serious legal trouble after being pulled over in an incident caught on Bodycam. Police say she was driving with fake license plates and had no valid license to begin with. When officers tried to stop her, she allegedly took off, leading to a fleeing charge, and things escalated further when she reportedly obstructed the investigation and damaged property in the process. On top of that, she failed to use turn signals during the encounter, adding yet another charge to the growing list. All told, she's now facing 6 separate charges stemming from this single stop. Cases like this are a good reminder of how quickly a routine traffic stop can spiral out of control. If you found this video interesting, drop a like and hit subscribe so you never miss a new Bodycam upload. Got thoughts on this case? Let us know in the comments below.